A hard-boiled egg reheated in the microwave can explode so violently it damages your hearing, researchers have found. The discovery was made after scientists were asked to serve as expert witnesses for a case involving damage allegedly caused by a hard-boiled egg. The shelled hard-boiled egg had been reheated in a microwave and apparently exploded in a restaurant customer's mouth, causing burns and possibly hearing damage. The case was settled out of court, but in the meantime 100 eggs were boiled in a microwave to see what damage they could do. Experts found the explosion can be as light as listening to a jet plane from 100 feet, 30 meters, away, and it seems superheated water is to blame. First, selected hard-boiled eggs were placed in a water bath and heated for 3 minutes. Secondly, the temperature of the water bath was then measured both at the middle and end of the heating cycle. Finally, the eggs were removed from the water bath, placed on the floor and pierced with a fast-acting meat thermometer to induce an explosion. This is about the same as the sound of a motorcycle running 30 feet, 9.1 meters, away to the sound of a jet plane 100 feet, 30 meters, away, respectively, writes Live Science. Although this is more noise than you'd want to subject yourself to for a long period of time, it has a low probability of causing damage, the researchers wrote. On a statistical basis, the likelihood of an egg exploding and damaging someone's hearing is quite remote. It's a little bit like playing egg roulette, said Dr Nash.One, and 3 of the tested eggs survived the microwave heating cycle and then exploded when pierced by a sharp object. Because there was little scientific literature on the subject, the investigators initially took an unorthodox approach by reviewing YouTube's collection of microwave explosions. Those experiments had been done by non-scientists who were casually detonating eggs in a microwave, said Dr Nash. Dr. Nash and Dr. von Blohn took a more scientific approach and controlled a number of important variables such as sound levels or internal temperatures and the kind and size of egg. First, selected hard-boiled eggs were placed in a water bath and heated for 3 minutes. For both the exploded eggs and eggs that didn't explode, we would probe the inside of the yolk with a thermometer, said Dr. Nash. We discovered that the yolk's temperature was consistently higher than the surrounding water bath. The implication is that the egg yolk is more receptive to microwave radiation than is pure water. Water constitutes about half the weight of an egg yolk. The duo believe the egg's protein matrix traps small pockets of water within the yolk, causing the pockets to superheat well above the nominal boiling temperature of ordinary tap water. When these superheated pockets are disturbed by a penetrating device, or if one attempts to bite into the egg yolk, the water pockets all boil in a furious chain reaction leading to an explosion-like phenomenon. Dr. Nash and Dr. von Blohn will present their research on the sound pressures generated by exploding eggs at the 174th meeting of the Acoustical Society of America in New Orleans, Louisiana.